Orca. Orcas are one of the largest marine mammals and actually the biggest members of the dolphin family. They can weigh up to 10,000 kilograms and grow as long as 10 meters. What's really fascinating is their unique hunting strategy. In this video, you can see a pod of orcas working together, swimming at high speeds to create powerful waves that break apart chunks of ice. This clever technique causes their prey to fall into the water, making it easier to catch. Pretty smart, right? Orcas are known to be highly intelligent animals. Oh, and they also have some really unique vocalizations. What do you guys think?